Shandong Pailien Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited was founded in 2015 as an integrated enterprise that combines R&D, production, sales, and after-sales service, with strong focus on custom processing to meet individualized client needs. Over the years, we have built a solid technological foundation, holding more than 80 national invention and utility model patents along with 2 software copyrights. These achievements have earned us recognition as a national high-tech enterprise and a national, specialized, refined, differentiated, and innovative, SRDA, enterprise. We are also proud to be named a Shandong Gazelle enterprise and a technology-driven small and medium-sized enterprise, and we have been listed on the Qilu Equity Exchange. For quality assurance, we maintain ISO 9001 certification, hold 25 CE safety certificates, and passed rigorous tests by SGS and Bureau Veritas, ensuring every product meets global standards for safety and performance. Our commitment to innovation is further strengthened through a joint laboratory established with Shandong University, which forms a complete industry university research chain. This collaboration enables us to rapidly translate cutting-edge research into practical manufacturing solutions, enhancing our ability to deliver robust, customized equipment for clients worldwide. With state-of-the-art production facilities and a skilled technical team, we offer flexible manufacturing capacity that supports large-scale orders and bespoke designs alike. Our product portfolio comprises 5 core series: excavator attachments, mining drilling rigs, municipal maintenance equipment, hydraulic jack pushing systems, and dredging and demolition robots. Under these series, we supply over 80 equipment categories and more than 500 specifications, covering a wide range of applications. For original equipment manufacturers, we provide matching components and tailor-made engineering machinery solutions to ensure seamless integration and optimal performance. Our products serve major state-owned enterprises such as China Railway Group and China State Construction, and are exported to over 150 countries and regions, including the United States, Japan, Germany, and many countries across Africa, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East. Looking ahead, we remain committed to innovation and forward-thinking development. Every member of the Pailien team strives to achieve greater milestones and deliver increasing value to our customers. We continuously invest in intelligent manufacturing and sustainable practices to reduce environmental impact while boosting productivity. Our global service network ensures prompt technical support, spare parts availability, and on-site assistance, reinforcing our reputation as a reliable partner. We warmly welcome clients from all over the world to discuss cooperation and explore mutual opportunities. Together, we can build a brighter future for the engineering machinery industry.